Are you struggling to convert bytes from Kafka back to their original object? It can be a real headache, especially when you're dealing with serialized data. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel this mystery together. I totally get it. Fetching data from Kafka and seeing those confusing byte arrays can be frustrating. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with serialized messages. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I convert the byte array from Kafka back to its original object? They mentioned that after deserializing, their RDD elements look like null and some byte references. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what's going on here? When you serialize messages in Avro format, they get transformed into byte arrays. This is efficient for storage and transmission, but it can make it tricky to retrieve the original data structure. Let's break this down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid these issues in the future. You won't want to miss it. To convert bytes from Kafka to their original object, the user should first ensure they have the necessary Avro dependencies in their project. This is crucial for deserializing the Avro format correctly. Next, the user needs to create a schema for the Avro data. This schema defines the structure of the data being deserialized and is essential for the conversion process. After setting up the schema, the user should implement the deserialization logic. This involves using the Avro library to convert the byte array back into the original object format. Finally, the user should test the deserialization process to ensure that the original objects are being reconstructed correctly from the byte array. Fun fact, did you know that Avro was developed as part of the Apache Hadoop project? It's designed for data serialization and is widely used in big data applications. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests decoding the bytes using the appropriate deserializers, such as strings or custom objects. If you skip this step, you'll see a text representation of byte arrays instead of your original data. Kafka simply transmits byte arrays, so it's essential to use serializers for keys and values in Spark streaming. If you want to deserialize byte arrays into a custom class, you'll need to create a custom serializer. For a structured approach, consider using JSON with a fixed schema, or Avro. In structured streaming, you can convert the data stream by casting the value to a string. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always keep your Avro schemas versioned and documented. This practice will save you a lot of headaches when deserializing data in the future. And there you have it. You should now be able to convert those byte arrays back to their original objects with ease. Remember, understanding your data structure is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't forget to check out our next video for more insights.